Number 42. A charge of 4 coulombs of charge passes through a pocket calculator's solar cells in 4 hours. What is the power output given the calculator's voltage output is 3 volts? All right, so I always like to start with the question, and the question is asking what is the power output? So we have several formulas over here on the right-hand side for power. All right, now it sounds like if you examine all of them, none of them have coulomb or charge in it. So we're probably going to need to do some other types of substitution, okay? Now don't get scared by that. But what I want you to do is I want you to take a look at those 3 formulas and think about which one is the closest one to help us find the power. I'll give you a second. Time's up. So power is going to be equal to the current multiplied by then the voltage, aka the potential difference across, 2 particular points. Now the reason why we're going to use this formula is because we know the nature of current. What is current? Not amps. Those are the units. Current is simply a measure of the charge passing through a particular point, aka coulombs, divided by the time over which it takes to pass that amount of charge past a particular point, aka seconds. So it's coulombs per second. So wait a minute. They did give us coulomb. They gave us a charge. Wait a minute. They did give us time. It's in hours. Oh, right. There it is. Right? And they also gave us a voltage. So I can just plug that in. So hopefully that makes sense, right? So basically current here. Now we don't have, so I can, why don't I substitute that on it, right? So power is going to be equal to then the current divided by the time in seconds, or you can put it as T, it doesn't matter, multiplied then by the voltage. So the current they gave us here is going to be 4 coulombs of charge, and then divided now by the time over which it takes to pass that charge. And it says it takes 4 hours here, but we need it in seconds. So we have to take 4 hours and convert that into seconds. Remember that there are 3,600 seconds in an hour. Or there's 60 minutes in an hour, and then there's 60 seconds in a minute. You can do that either way. Some of these conversions now we're going to move through because we've been doing it now for 20 chapters. Okay. And simply now plug it in. So we got 4 divided by now parenthesis 4 times 3,600, and then multiply that by 3. And here we have a value now of about 8.33 times 10 to the -4th, and that has the units of watts. That's what power is, or joules per second. It doesn't matter. Okay, and that's it. I guess 3 sig figs sounds good. Sure. All right, guys. I hope you're enjoying your semester, and I will see you soon. Be well.